Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Magicfly. My name is Aditi and in today's video I'm going to review the Smashbox Try It kit. So the reason I bought this kit is because I have heard so much about Smashbox products, their quality, and I really wanted to try the products, and I was getting 4 products in this kit, so I thought let's give it a try, and then after using it, if I feel like I can invest in the full size products. So if you really wanted to know more about the products, like what you get inside this and how they feel, how they work, please keep on watching. So the very first product which you get in here is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, if you can see that. So this was one product that really attracted me most of the times, and this is a very soft gel like consistency. It works beautifully on every skin type and I am so happy to have this product. I would highly recommend this if you are looking for a good primer, and this is a great primer. This is an oil-free primer, and being a makeup artist, I need to have something great for my brides especially, so I keep this for them, and I love to use this primer for my brides, and it works beautifully. So the second product which you get here in this kit is this Smashbox Under Eye Hydrating Primer. So what you can do is, because this area of our face is very sensitive, you can use this to like hydrate your under eye area, and this is again a very good quality primer. I love this. The size is really tiny, but once you use it, you can definitely go for the full size if you want to. And the third product that you Smashbox 24-hour eyeshadow primer. So what you have to do is you have to apply it on the lids before doing the eye makeup. So again, a very good product, and I really love the quality of these products. Like Smashbox is definitely something to have, and if you are someone who loves makeup, who loves to invest in good makeup, I would highly recommend. So the last product that you get here is this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. So this is the size which you get, but this is a glass bottle, so again you have to be very careful if you are traveling with this. And the finish of this primer is amazing. You don't need to spray too much on your face after your makeup is done. Just spray once or twice and you will get the best results. It locks your makeup beautifully. So I'm really happy with this Smashbox Try It kit. This is definitely something you can try if you are a makeup lover or if you like to invest in good makeup. I got this from US. I don't know if this is available in India or not, but if you can get your hands on this, try to get this. You will love it for sure. So this was all about this particular kit, which I really wanted to share, because these kits make your life easy. You don't have to invest in the full sizes. You can first try the smaller versions, and if you like it, then you can go ahead with the bigger sizes. So I really thought that it can help you in some way, and I really feel that it was helpful. And if it was, please give this video a big thumbs up, like this video, share this video, and also you can subscribe to my channel if you are watching me for the very first time. Please click on the red subscribe button below and the notification bell. So thank you so much for watching, and stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.